So basically here we have a wild S in its natural habitat.
So for this simple DIY you need these hollow letters, some wet foam, an X-Acto knife and a cutting mat. I've listed on my blog post where I got all these things to make things easier for you guys. So to begin, what you need to do is you need to get your letter and then you need to measure it against the green foam like I am here. And then you want to cut half of that. That allows you to then poke your flowers in and then it'll allow you to be able to see the flowers above the letter. So that's what I'm just doing here now. So just cut them out. If you want to be really pernickety about it, you could use a ruler, but I just like to get things done quick, so I'm just eyeballing it all. So once you've done that, you just want to put it above the letter or on the letter to then figure out how much you need to trim for it to fit in. So that's what I'm doing here. As I went along, I found that you could just push your little cutouts in and it'll trim itself because the edges are quite sharp. So because this green foam is so easy to use, if you have gaps you can just pick up some extra foam and then just squeeze them into your little corners like I am here. Just mould them in your hands and then just push them all in. So once you've got your letter fully filled up, you just want to smoothen everything out, smoothen out all the lines so that it all looks like one solid block of green. That's what I'm doing here. And then once you've done that and you're happy with the mould, you just want to start poking in your flowers. So I just poke them in and then later on, because I was going to be taking this to my wedding hall, I didn't think it was secure enough, so what I did was I poked a hole and then poured in some hot glue and then poked my flowers back. But you need to be careful with that because the styrofoam can melt, so just be careful of how much glue you use. And then you should be done. So you end up with something like this. So just arrange it how you want. I used the colours that I'm using on my wedding. But yeah, it's as easy as that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.